Good morning! I hope everyone is having a great Friday. So it is spelling test day. So we made a little oops on your spelling test paper that was copied. So I'm going to tell you how you can still use that paper and just make some corrections on it. So I'm going to show you what Miss Rachel did. So I added the number 9 underneath 8, and then I just changed the numbers. You don't have to change the numbers if you don't want to. But just know that number 9 is going to go up here underneath those red words so that there's 3 red words. Now down here at the bottom, we're not doing these sentences over here at all, okay? You're just going to put numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And I'm going to tell you something, and you're going to write whether it's A, B, or C. Does that make sense? I'm going to tell your parents again, and I'll help you remember as we go through the test. So don't worry. We're going to take this one at a time today. Remember, do your absolute very best. Don't let anyone help you because Miss Rachel and your teachers need to know what you know and not what anybody else knows. Okay, guys? All right, so let's get started. Here we go. Number 1, tank. Tank. Number 2, pass. Pass, like I had to pass the ball. Remember, if you need to stop the video and write down your words because you need more time, go right ahead, no worries. Number 3, fang. The snake put his fang in when he bit me. Fang. Number 4, buzz. We get on buzz to do our work. Buzz. Number 5, junk. There is a whole lot of junk in that closet. Junk. Number 6, king. Sometimes he might feel like a king. King. All right, good job. You got 6 so far done. Here we go. Number 7, as. She is as pretty as a flower. As. Number 8, her. This is her book. Now remember, number 9, you're going to be adding a spot on your test for. So go ahead and write that down. Right underneath number 8. So here we go. Number 9, your. Where is your work? Your. All right, now we're going to do the 4 application or review words on there, okay? So they're labeled, the numbers will change because we added number 9. So this is going to be number 10. That is the word song. She sings a pretty song. Song. Number 11, hunk. That is a big hunk of cheese. Hunk. Number 12, chill. We put the food in the refrigerator to chill. Number 13, sell. She likes to sell tattoos on Friday. Sell. Okay, guys, so we're at the very bottom of your paper on your spelling test. Now remember, this is the part where you're just going to write the numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. You're going to write those numbers down. And you're going to write the letters A, B, or C. When I show you the words, you're going to decide which word is not spelled correctly. And you're going to write that letter above that word on your paper. Now, I'm going to do 14 with you because it is a little confusing. So here we go. Here's number 14. It says, the gang ate a snack and then sang a song. So I have gang, snack, song. Which one of these words is not spelled correctly? letter B says snack, and that's not spelled correctly. So beside 14, you would need to write the letter B. Okay, guys, I hope that makes sense. Okay, so we're going to go to the next one. Number 15. He fell in the dunk tank and sank. Write the letter above the word that is not spelled correctly. Is it dunk, which is A, B, tank, or C, sank? Number 16 says, your bags are in the shed. Okay, so is it A, your, B, bags, or C, shed? Write the letter of the word that is not spelled correctly. Okay, number 17. Are any black bugs in the webs? Is it A, any, B, black, or C, webs? Write the letter of the word that is not spelled correctly. And number 18, who will pass the shop at the mill? Is it A, will, B, pass? Miss Rachel made a mistake. I wrote it correctly. So guess what? If you're right, if you're watching really closely, you can know what I did wrong. Is it B, pass, or C, shop? Which one of those is misspelled correctly? I kind of helped you on 18 also because I made a mistake. Okay, guys, that's it. You're done. So when you finish your spelling test, have Mom take a picture, email it to your email, and add it to your submission on the drive. I know you guys have got it down great. I hope you have an amazing Friday. See you guys later.